Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to recover your forgotten Amazon password on Android. If you can't log into your Amazon account, this tutorial is for you. On your mobile dashboard, tap the Amazon Shopping app. Once you're here, tap the Sign In button. On the Sign In page, enter your email in the field, then tap Continue. If you've forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password option. This will take you to the Password Assistance page. Enter your email here and make sure it's the correct one. When you're done, tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter that code to verify your identity. Once verified, create a new password for your Amazon account. This will let you log back in and use your Amazon account again. This tutorial walks you through resetting your Amazon password, including the Forgot Password option, the verification step, and setting a new secure password, so you can get back into your account quickly and easily. That's it. Now we know how to recover a forgotten Amazon password on Android.